Hi. Say hi. Say hi to the camera. Alright guys, this is a cat that I have in the backyard and there's something wrong with her. She's walking really weird. Her hind legs are not aligned perfectly. And I don't know what's wrong with you. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? She's a pretty cat. I mean, I don't know what cat she is, but she's walking a little weird. Look at her. See, look at her. She's walking weird. Look, watch. Hey. So I have no idea if she's walking alright or anything like that. See? So, I don't know. What's your opinion, you guys? See how she's standing? And watch when I walk. See? Come on. Why is she walking like that? Kitty! 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 Say hi to the camera. Hi to the camera. You're such a good girl, you know? Such a good girl. So I don't know, what's your opinion, guys? Her hind legs are like really broken. Why are you walking like that? You're making me worried. She's making me worried. You're making me worried. I hear her purring. Oh! You okay? Oh. Something wrong with her equilibrium, you guys. What am I gonna do? Just tell me, okay? Say hi. Say hi. Come on. Hey. Come on. Don't be that way. You hungry? You hungry? You're hungry. Okay. I'm gonna go get your food, okay? Okay?